We are joined by nutritionist and wellness coach Darren Mayer. Darren, thank you so much for coming on DBL. I love a good barbecue, but the traditional burger and hot dogs thing, you know it can get boring and it's not the healthiest. So, Darren, talk to me. What are some healthy alternatives people can do and try at home this summer?
Well, hi, Tori. Thanks so much for having me. We've got some great products and recipe ideas that will help boost your immune system, are delicious, and are easy to make on the grill or your own stovetop. First, in my house, it's never a barbecue or a meal without starting with a salad. And today we're serving pasta Primavera salad made with Impostable pasta, low-calorie, high-fiber pasta. Each serving in Impossible pasta only contains 55 calories and only 8 grams of net carbs. But unlike traditional pasta, it gets better. It's high in fiber, helps promote weight loss, and great for your metabolism as well. Next, we have Walden Farms dressing. Now, a salad dressing can make or break a salad, right?
Yep.
They make their products with organic vinegars, culinary spices, natural flavors, and vegetable fibers. We've used the Italian dressing here. It smells delicious in the pasta salad. And that's how we get this delicious, low-calorie, healthy pasta Primavera salad. What's a barbecue without a good burger?
Good call.
Now, I love seafood burgers. And today we are making seafood burgers made with wild salmon and wild tuna from Safe Catch Seafood. Now, with Safe Catch, you can know that you can always eat seafood with confidence. They have the lowest mercury levels of any seafood you will find in your supermarket.
That's good.
They do this by stringently testing each fish before they put it in the package. So if it's too much mercury, they don't keep it in. And it's even safe for pregnant women. It's a good source of protein.
Nice.
And when they cook it, they retain the natural juices. So you get those rich omega-3s, which can help to promote a healthy heart. Now,
loving that.
What's a burger without a good bun? Today we have, on these burgers, we have Canyon Bakehouse gluten-free hamburger buns. They are allergy-free, so that means there's no dairy, nuts, or seeds in any of their products. They're soft and delicious, and their products come in a stay fresh package, which means that your products will be good for 90 days off the shelf. What's a burger without ketchup and mayo?
Yes.
Now, of course, we don't want to add more calories or sugar, so we're using Walden Farms fat-free, sugar-free ketchup and carbohydrate-free, and also their fat-free, sugar-free, calorie-free Chipotle mayo.
Nice.
Finally, what's a good barbecue if you don't have a healthy beverage?
Amen, sister.
Exactly. So today we have Res Beverage. Now, Res contains essential vitamins and minerals to help promote healthy respiratory system, and also help to boost your immunity. Plus, it contains turmeric. It comes in 3 delicious flavors: fruit punch, orange mango, and watermelon peach. And it only has 10 calories per bottle and 1 gram of sugar.
Whoa.
So what's a barbecue without a healthy cocktail?
Yes.
So we like to serve my favorite gluten-free vodka with Res fruit punch.
Wow. You know what I would toast?
Cheers.
I would toast, Darren, I'd say to me and to turmeric. You know what I mean? For turmeric, and to me it's a good toast. Thank you. Thank you for laughing, for the pity laugh on that. Darren, that all looks so easy, healthy, and delicious. You can learn all about these products and recipes at youfortified.com.
And if you want a chance to win a gift box with all of these wonderful products, visit youfortified.com and enter in our giveaway. And also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at YouFortified for more chances to win.
Ooh, I'm feeling fortified right now. Thank you so much, Darren. I'm hungry and I want a BBQ with all that healthy and delicious snacks. Thanks again. We'll be right back.